Alright, so in this video I'll show you where the fuel pump is located on the 2008 Cl63. This is the rear passenger side. Once you remove the bottom cushion, you twist this cap off counterclockwise. We already took it off just to give you an idea. You just twist counterclockwise to unlock it and clockwise to lock it. Okay. And then you're gonna remove the 10mm bolts. Then you remove this cover. So now just unplug it. You press on the button and it unlocks. Just tuck in the fuel line. And right here, these things, you just twist them off. Same thing over there, towards the front of the car. So you have two of them, front and towards the back of the car. Alright, so there's that button. You gotta press on it. That's what you have to press. Now just move it aside. So you do have to pull this hose off to disconnect it. You're just gonna have to kind of twist it around to pull it out. Now the other hoses that are not coming out, you just gotta tuck them back in there to make the room in the opening so the fuel pump comes out. Alright, so this is the fuel filter. It's pretty easy to take it off. I would recommend you to have an empty gas tank to do this. Yeah, and make sure you get a new seal. Yeah, and make sure you torque all the nuts back in place by dealer specs. That way you're not gonna have any leaks once you fill it up.